Young warriors, are you ready to take playtime to the next level? Today, we're diving into the world of kid-friendly blasters, bringing you the top 5 amazing blaster guns that will have your little warriors dominating the backyard battlefield. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Xshot Mad Mega Barrel, a blaster that packs a serious punch. With its rotating barrel and easy-to-use pump action, this blaster lets you unleash a barrage of darts on your opponents with lightning speed. Hold on to your hats because this mega-sized blaster packs a serious punch. The Mad Mega Barrel boasts a massive ammo capacity and slam-fire action, unleashing a relentless foam dart storm upon your opponents. Whether you're defending your base or going on the offensive, the Xshot Mad Mega Barrel is a must-have for any aspiring blaster enthusiast. For buying this amazing guns, link is in the description. Next up, we have the NERF Elite Double Punch. Don't underestimate the classic NERF. This double-barreled blaster delivers a 1-2 punch of dart-firing action, doubling your firepower and taking down targets with double the fun. Bonus points for epic reload flips. With its slam-fire action and dual dart blasting power, this blaster lets you unleash a rapid barrage of foam fury on your foes. Whether you're engaging in close-quarters combat or taking aim from a distance, the NERF Elite Double Punch is sure to keep you one step ahead of the competition. Coming in at number 3, we have the Shelby Destroyer gun, a blaster that's as fierce as it sounds. With its sleek design and rapid-fire action, this blaster lets you take on even the toughest opponents with ease. Whether you're staging a daring rescue mission or defending your territory from invaders, the Shelby Destroyer gun is your go-to weapon for epic battles. Shelby Destroyer gun, calling all demolition experts. This tactical blaster features a rotating drum for rapid-fire action and a detachable scope for precision targeting. Imagine sniping opponents from afar or raining down darts in close-quarters combat. Our fourth pick is the Xshot XL Crusher, a blaster that's built for maximum impact. With its pump-action blasting and rotating drum, this blaster lets you fire off dart after dart with precision and power. Whether you're engaging in solo target practice or going head-to-head with friends, the Xshot XL Crusher is sure to deliver hours of fun and excitement. Xshot XL Crusher. For the stealthy ninjas and covert operatives, the XL Crusher delivers. This pump-action blaster is silent but deadly, launching darts with impressive accuracy. Perfect for ambushes and strategic maneuvers. Last but not the least, we have the NERF Zombie Ripchain Blaster, a blaster that's perfect for battling the undead. With its motorized blasting and chain-fed dart drum, this blaster lets you unleash a relentless stream of darts on approaching zombies. Whether you're staging a thrilling zombie apocalypse scenario or simply honing your blasting skills, the NERF Zombie Ripchain Blaster is a must-have for any zombie fighting hero. NERF Zombie Ripchain Blaster, calling all zombie hunters. This motorized blaster features a rotating chain-fed hopper that unleashes a continuous stream of darts. If you want to buy these amazing toy guns, the link is in the description. Remember, safety first, always wear eye protection and play responsibly. And for even more exciting battles, get your friends involved and create epic team challenges. So there you have it, the top 5 amazing blaster guns for kids. Now grab your favorite blaster, gather your squad, and unleash your inner warrior. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more toy reviews and action-packed adventures. Until next time, keep blasting and let your imagination run wild.